guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove price history from Zillow. So while there's no direct way option or setting from Zillow that lets you remove or delete price history, there's still a way for you to possibly remove it. And that is through requesting data removal or suppression. And to do that, you have to contact the Zillow support directly. So in your browser, head over to zillow.zendesk.com. Next, in the URL, add in request then slash new. Then press enter, and this link will redirect you to this page. So from here, just fill in all the details, starting with please tell us who you are. So you're going to choose you're the homeowner or home seller. Then from here, you're going to submit a help request. Just fill in details such as your name, email, subject, and description. Explain that you'd like to remove or suppress price history and why. For example, outdated, incorrect, or privacy concern. Zillow may decline if the data comes from public records they're legally required to show. Then, of course, choose issue type. So you can choose listing issue, for sale by owner, and issue subtype, edit listing. Of course, make sure that you toggle this reCAPTCHA and submit this request. And from there, all you have to do is wait for Zillow's support team to reach out to you and help you resolve your problem. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!